travel far to go and bring tomatoes. Are you getting it? Yesterday when I was coming, I got to Double Junction and I decided to buy tomatoes. I mean, full rubber paint. I mean, very cheap. Are you getting it? But
that's a local.
Do they have the capacity to do in a large scale? That's where maybe government will come in. Those kind of. But before then.
So land for me, let me bring him down.
Oh, I just started. You see, Burkina can produce throughout. Ghana is not. You were mentioning Palugu. You see, the talk shop is too much. Are you getting it? We were here. You people too, you are not doing Ghana good. The media.
Well, also.
You are not checking us well. We were here at the Public Accounts Committee. We got to know that a final payment of Palugu Dam amount around $12 million was paid. And nothing happened.
Final payment?
They went there and not even a single block. But what happened? In the Auditor General's report, it was final payment. We don't know
it is not
which phase or whatever, but it was there, final payment. 11.9 or so, almost $12 million. And nothing happened to it. As at now, what happened? Who was in charge? Who received that money? We are not saying anything. If we have that dam in place, I know the irrigations and other things will go. That's why we need to do more. NPP brought something, one village, one dam, which sounds very good, but they mismanage it. Are you getting it? Instead of maybe taking their time to do maybe very big, even if you do 4, very big one that can service about hundreds of farmers, that would be better than the darks, whatever, what do they call it, boreholes and other things that they were doing. So we need to be focused and make sure. I know Honorable Opoku is very focused on this Feed Ghana and other things. We need to go extra mile and make sure that we, you see, Agric Development Bank was brought in purposely for some of these things, but they miss it out, and they tend to be a commercial bank. And then
is it not about the focus that leadership is not able to get institutions to have? Because if we set you up for Agric, why did we sit down for them to shift focus?
Yeah, it's also about leadership. You see, it's the canker of this country. I went to Dubai, I was talking to someone. He said, oh, here we don't have anything. All we have is leadership. People do things to make a name. When you come to Ghana, nobody cares about name.
Yeah.
All they need is pocket.
That's what orientation.
Are you getting it? I want to get about 50 mansions in Accra. I want to get this in Kumasi. I want to get this in Tamale. That is all. Oh, I have to get about 10 filling stations. This and that. For what? But the name, they don't want it. That, oh, it was Awar Mohammed who did this. They don't want it. Oh, Hopeson Adorye did that. We don't want it. All we need is our pocket. So what are we going to do to change that mindset and make sure that when you are put in office, make a name than making money? What are we going to do? That's why I'm saying that the media, you are failing the state because you have a whole chapter in the Constitution. You are to make sure that you hold we, the politicians, accountable.
Aren't we doing that?
It's not enough.
At the end of the day, what else can we do than to expose what you...
It's not enough. When you expose me and then you sit back, what happens?
We don't sit back.
You people broke even the...
You've seen the tax for galamsey is done. So some people are saying that, well, after you've done it, it doesn't mean because we've seen it, we have to interdict it, we have to investigate. So
So continue until they do that. You should continue. Are you getting it? You don't expose and then sit back. I said it last week here that I called 4th Estate people to go into a scholarship secretariat under the previous administration. They went there and they did a great job. Joy News, you broke the news here. Yeah. What has happened? You just broke the news and then left it there. You did not follow up for someone to face the law and then get the money back to the state.
Which one are you talking about that? Which one haven't you followed that?
Which one?
Which one haven't we followed that?
The scholarship secretariat that wrote there. They were selling the scholarship to people. And then 4th Estate got into it, and then they uncovered that it was true. And Joy News, you broke the news. Are you getting it? That time I would say those who were in charge of 4th Estate were with you people, and then you just left it.
What shows that we've left it?
So what is this now?
Yeah, so you need to ask first for us to tell you what is happening first before.
I am saying that just accept that yes, you are not doing enough.
No.
You need
I won't accept that.
You will not accept that.
Yeah.
When you tell the politician, will the politician accept? We all need to accept our flaws.
But it is
what I mean is that
someone is being paid to ensure that right things don't happen in this country.
Are you not being paid to work? Are you not being paid to work?
I'm being paid to work. That's what we do. What is the special prosecutor doing? That same issue. Isn't he supposed to go into because there's politically exposed people are involved?
And I'm saying that once politically exposed people are involved, you don't sit back and say because of that, you will sit back until we get people time.
I'm saying that we are not sitting back, but I will not accept that.
Since when?
We are not doing enough for the country. We are.
The whole of 2025, I did not hear you or Joy News on that issue.
Which one? 2025.
2025. The whole of 2025. Yes. We did not hear you.
Hey.
This issue came up 2024. You broke it to the people of Ghana 2024. And the whole of 2025, I did not hear you.
Well,
I am saying that.
This is not about us.
I am saying not about Joy News. I am saying that the entire media
I'm saying in Ghana. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
It's not. We shouldn't make this.
So is it chapter 21 or so of the 1992? Maybe. Yeah. So you can refer me to. You see, once you have been dedicated this whole chapter, we are saying that some of these things you need to help. Are you getting it? Because if not corruption, I mean Ghana won't be here. Look at Auditor General's report. Look at the monies that go waste. And then you just oppose with the IMF loan that we went for, the facility 3 billion. Whilst Auditor General is talking about 12 billion, 18 billion, and the rest. You see? So we are pleading with you. Hold us.
We're here.
Both government and opposition, hold us.
We're here. We will do that.
Profobia kwa Tróuble to omo boy omo adwen se Ghana ha pa de sune omo nsi ha bi. Mimi ni mo bi kra wakwakoto ye ka ne sen graveyard e wo Germany. Sese wo ba Ghana ha kra no owu Ghana ha ye mfa no nko back to Germany ne nko ngosi no. Enti ye try na absentia. We the Ghanaians are not going to agree to that. Say and try an absentia.
Okay.
Wouldn't the effect of that? Over try an absentia. Ebia banya conviction. Yes, ya jelino. Ave oni machirasa. Oh, see ya. Bobu so or has say and can quadisa. We don't want that. Quampion before something baby and no fanum. Or answer question you know about. Look, as a dear Nina near friend cross examination.
Yeah.
Cross examination very important. It is only one examination. What only Obiko baby I know Moody or Munkomo, ye baby yesi, one in the panel. Now come. It in your course wound him. So on it, eti media near Wakano more nasem nuna yanke. But what you say, dear? Hey, Miss Omo to Navy. One year 18% to grab. Election over. What dear, fast and all
right.
18% win. Because in conform with what do Kokosi Wojinano, Ubia.
Okay. Bernard, yeah, we quick one. Government steps or very revive Valco. Your take on that?
Yeah, documents now, no.
Yeah.
It's very worrying. The news headlines is portraying government reviving Valco. I wouldn't say many budget. It suggests that it's almost a complete sellout.
70-30.
Yeah, complete sellout. 70-30 no. Why not Ebekuta 70 no? Is it not the so-called investor? What is he bringing extraordinary that Valco doesn't have? TMO. What is the motive of private businessmen? What is the motive?
Almost obey Juma or Penfaso, but in the Sika be Remo or Penfaso.
Now, Ujin say, a BB war na and Faso and bar. A private sector person will be interested in going into it.
But in this case, we keep on making losses.
Yeah.
So you, because
I agree with you. I agree
every
with you,
year, be a $50 million.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Then you may suggest say change leadership now.
I agree with you. But wait a minute.
Okay.
Which state institution don't they declare losses? Nanya La Palm Royal Beach Hotel was declaring losses to the extent that the company was to be sold. Anamiwa, na Brian Achampon here was deterred NPP primacy.
Was the word deterred?
Na ono na omo asong adiano kwampa mano, but for protestation. Nkawafa. But for protestation, Kawafa. We protested. Within a year of new management, Yefiha Yanko Lapam. Go and see the facelift, and they have declared profits. Within 1 year. Just a change of management, you know. They have declared profit on a company, a hotel, that was being given out.
Okay, I get your point.
Talk. Now you're talking to 22 million. In 7 months, internally generated funds amounted to 21 million. And Omudi SCSC tour, and today is back on operation. So let nobody come and give me a goddamn excuse that a public institution is making losses, justifying its auction.
TM management, no.
Sack them.
Okay.
Clear them. Metro Mass Transit, with about 1,000 or so buses, was making losses. With 105 buses today, they are making profits.
Okay. Also,
Metro Mass Transit, just because there's a change of leadership, they are making profit. They did not sell Metro Mass Transit. And then, Nana Omoyano said, Yangu Metro Mass Transit, Niantong, na Yami, Yanjinto, and your Hono Motong bus, and your bus tier, no, and yes, tier 2,600, no. And yet, and your windscreen, a whole bus, almost and yes, serviceable, or Motong, we are Modi Akobema camp, or Marco spray, and it will be back on the road as somebody's private money, bus. President John Mama, this is not how to revive.
Valco leadership.
Look, Ghana has the capacity, Valco has the capacity. You cannot be sitting on bauxite, which is the main thing that you need to do with Valco, the smelter. then you say you are giving out 70%. That is not how to revive Valco.
All right, Commander.
Yeah.
So they should sack leadership. All right.
Media, never can you say, Mensaki Kaki documents in India. We show we are Office of the President. That was 26 May 2022.
Yeah.
Under President Akufo Addo. Just say, Omo and status negotiation. Now, we share a year, you can say, Cabinet Committee on Economic Matters, or more report, or more the cabinet, based on that.
Yeah.
Cabinet, it may edit 2 more. Nature say, as you say, call me a mummy. Nadine, Manya, the high level executive summary of the Committee on Selection on Strategic Investor account. And this is so Makomuye pa. Mashe TDC for Omone Vaco, Omulis in some. And Mashe Vaco, local union, Omuleta, Omuishuye, 9th January 2026. Now we can make you know Mentiasia. That's a Mentiasia cry. Look. Vaco a national asset. The raw materials now a year difficult in the Kakam, Yanko Padum, Yama Ebum. With the session say you to your bauxite. Now I buy a day Gadek, a ye Ababisiho, HSA, Airboa, Nindia Kakam. That's a set Vaco Nankasano, 80 revive me. Now say Nana Benekano, a yet thing. And a buying institution, ye Juma, na still ye boka. A Juma Valco for ye, Obenya smaller companies be almost so a ye, and so almost there, and maybe almost make it profit, added ya, because your father said, I buy a Juma. So, Osha Juma, El Coso, baby, Apple door, or Modema private in the Kaikama, who say the face of that institution, assessor. If you want to see a shady ye pa, if you want to swap, let this say, Yama partnership. Usha, baby, to set to an uncle more tone completely, Nanga partnership.
Yeah, I thought there wasn't partnership.
Now, I buy a month for Kasaya or more to slow down. I buy ye, Amio who say, oh, Sananka, as he said, BBT Koso, and Nananko Moye, a Isa Cotton, Sademo, and they are making profit, they are running 24/7, and they are good. But with this Valco a year, you can't say, Cabinet Agyapong say, and uncle, any other. I think, say, Union for no, almost slow down, Kakra. So, almost slow down, Kakra. Because
70% it's an auction.
But I wrote them an announcing
70%.
Me say, 70-30 or more.
70-30 no there. Yeah, they are more.
And I may say,
it's not in the interest of young.
Okay, 100%, and they are then what my.
Sana na ye kita 100%. Sana na ye kita 100%. And na ye kwa cotton to. Me know etiha. Ye did dance here say changing the leadership of TOR has transformed that institution. And yes, sir, changing the leadership at Metro Mass Transit has transformed that institution and many other places. So my advice, President Mahama, don't go into this agreement. Take the leadership that you took to TOR to go to Valco. They will transform it for us. You don't need this 70-30 to transform that entity.
No, the thing is that
you understand.
The thing is
look, seriously,
to be able to bring up, you need some kind of capital injection. Government is not having that.
Who
capital.
told you so? Oh, how can the government of Ghana say that you don't have capital? How is that the case? We have always used this. Look, nobody is richer than government. It doesn't matter how rich you are. Nowhere in the world is any individual richer than government. Government creates. But government makes the money. Government
cannot pick that over $100 million, to go and give to. You can't say Valco.
Ken Ofori Atta cannot we are saying.
Ken
Ofori Atta cannot.
Yes, that guy.
Yes,
what are you talking about?
No.
Now count to credit that one and qualifying for loan.
I'm saying that.
IMF conditionalities in Usuntino.
Precisely. Why is always IMF
but we are still
telling us what we should do? Look, baby, I say these things with more than emotion.
Yeah.
President Akufo sold Ghana Telecom. Cecilia, Ghana Telecom, cash cow. What you say?
That's right.
We buy data.
Yeah.
We buy credit. The people have made so much money. They have divested into other fields. Omatong Ediama Telecel. They will also, and I say this for open, natural. Every day on average, Ghanaians spend 10 Ghana cedis on airtime and data.
Yeah.
There are 20 million subscribers in Ghana. Multiply that by 10 cedis. That's 200 million. Generated every day. Telecel, MTN, and 80. They generate over 200 million every day. Does Ghana own Telecel? Does Ghana own MTN? Mumayanjiwo. Sikano waha. Sikano waha.
Person ama supervision everything. Look,
I don't have a problem. So baby, I may want meeting. It is not. Look, me see. Take the management of Metro Mass Transit. Take them to Valco. Person for Hopeson in Koha. Person for Yati in Koha. Go and take them. They have just shown how to transform a useless institution into a profitable and useful institution. Go to Tróuble. The management has demonstrated the people of Ghana have the capacity to transform dead institutions into living institutions, not through this kind of sale.
Hopeson wrap up.
Once Tróuble no outright sale. Yes, no. We a partnership.
Na partnership. What the Cassiano Agyapong.
One British Airways. British Airways. UK government there. A private.
One was Ghanaian owns the UK, the British Airways. It is management buyout, and then there are British people. Where are you on? Which Ghanaians owns it? Which Ghanaian is buying the 70%? Then you can think that it is going to be in Ghana.
If you have that capacity, go in for. Say, so Ghana need that capacity. What should we do? What should we do?
Cousin.
What would you do?
We should let the state take over. Of strong interest. Should I repeat it again? Hopeson, transform Valco.
You need money to transform.
Did they use money from your friend said Tróuble to transform it? They went there, created one of the institutions, the shipyards, Penam shipyard. The MD, Osman said Okodruhon, he was met on arrival by snakes and other reptiles. They left the place to decay and they were decaying it so that they can sell. Okodruhon, they had to start fumigating it, and from nowhere, they have turned everything around. The place is nice. Everybody is coming there. We have the Penam shipyard in Ghana. We went and built FPSOs in Singapore. When we can dock them here and bring the engineers to build our ships here. Mama, yes, sir. Look, Ghana.
Benadi, say, I na Ghana for ya, ye wo ho ye jumai. ya take adwuma ni serious ye adwuma na nka sa partnership ya asem bra no ke ma hwe Ghana di beko ko adwuma mu ho be ye 10 o'clock by 3 or 3 ho say ye private person be na yes as of vision
say we
bet ma ko do 10 o'clock you cannot
we have to meet ourselves halfway.
You cannot
Bernard problem management na problem because all kind documents na managing director na o hosisi ya MD no commander abeje dey say alumina na o ton no world market na price na ba form no ono okota oboka obeye production na oboka aluminium no kwa na ne boaye dey world market no obosa koton a obosa oboka. So at the end of the day, going to buy the raw material, they make losses because every $1.26 Valco be answer up $1. I was so about $1.26 and see when you're $1.
Ow.
Aha. That is the current state of Valco.
So you see, so it is just about management.
Raw materials
when people are deliberately running down to sell,
production international benchmarker enu kwansa per ton oboka more than $1,700 Valco your production per 1 ton oboka $2,500
managing director no ho no
Robert Sambiam
tambe no ba ho
wacho he was their financial in charge of finance for I think 17 years and managing director.
Precisely my point.
So at any point in time, Valco is making losses.
Not your finance. Now coming to supervise the sale. Who is going to be the beneficiary? It is certainly not Ghana.
Oh, Sadio, I can't say Lance Minister ne finance ni ade obunko butimbo no mo reshuffle management immediately.
Yes.
Immediately.
Oh, we can't continue
so
like this.
That's the problem with Valco.
We can't continue like this.
Valco be jumanya $1 or boka wechiri. It's at any point in time.
Still earn salary.
And the MD is taking salary.
He's been given accommodation.
Titles go the deputy na
Daddy, titles they are MD. Titles go MD. And Ofi Hono na Oba Greater Accra no. And na papa we finance, no your director of finance. Inti no neighbor titles ni na no mu nyina te ho and no mo hihye niam. Director of finance Sesiano. He has everything about the company. You cannot transform the company. You want to supervise his sale.
No, so say there's a private person in Bemwa or no as MD, no one never supervise, and that is where his story is coming from. Because or no person can say private person in the administration management bebem. It's your command so no as MD no.
Now what is
power beba form?
What is the position of current cabinet on this?
Usha cabinet report na me kan.
When did they say 20
yes, interministerial committee no
2022.
What kind report no mo de koye na based on Valco or more asset crano and qualify or more some beji loan because once a mostly no acquire a buy guarantee maybe a loan near the revive it but in this case assets are now yet $276 million say 97
how
yes. Enti odo kojina baby asa wo pesika ye mawo and as say no yensa guyachi until say be free IMF no niam bebre ho aban ni ntimi nye. That is where the problem is coming from. Enti until say ye ne IMF be wie no enyama bebre ho aban pese wo ye kora be ye den ama no enti mpaya ne be bo say ye ne IMF deal na Akufo Addo ye kwahye mu ye be free ye free mu anu na be ma ye nkwan na sa ban pese o tene ne nsa ko baby a ne nsa timi akọ because there are some of the areas on timi kwaje bosia wo baby a so de koye. That is why ya bedu baby a
NDC government the party say omu ni obi o mejimi na akọ Valco ho na akọ
ya titi wo ho
omu ni obi a
me ya me nani alumi
ye engineers in the
engineers.
So it's
not about engineering.
Yes,
it is about management capacity.
Leadership.
So in this case, the MD is the problem. That's why I called on President Mahamadu to sack him. So on this case,
President Mahamadu I endorse the new person akohonum and I be a
person that's what
yes I don't know. No we say a old person in ohonum.
Old person in
ohonum. Say yes and they with immediate effect. As he said obutimi fire no because a institution like Vaku.
What should you make this?
First pa oti Vaku who so be a year juma of Vaku. That is say mu je juma bokadia. Why should they maintain the management and continue paying them? How?
Obaka you the income do.
Che nipa sa no ujina fanu ko pebe bitu. Also trawa still obe sabotage. Obi aye finance God is director wo hodum akwa di nim bibia ni na guy ka wono. Uja no hokra say oh won konkotena office bi wo hodum still obe to ati the effect of the new person. Net person. Mo man so na kwakoto baby. Ese wo mutimi reach oh me say bene mpenifo ni bi be kasa.
All right.
Meko finance minister wakako bisa nsade nti ana ho no mo agya ho sa a state no ebe boka.
All right.
Ade nti na sese basa. I agree with Bernard.
Yam pam mo hodi na.
Yam pam management no.
Okay.
Yam kan say yam pam workers o. Yes management.
So the workers that's what mo nyere.
Management yam pam mo straight away. What say niama Ghana enkoso no. Ni party wo say or ball maneka still know what you want. Young guys are look, I was at a National Identification Authority. How the young guy has transformed the place. In fact, we were what I say and I fu Frobiana me say Dadana. Hey, now I have it my say under MPP. Well, as someone making and then people will be called NIA Becca headquarters or I was charging on them. Huh? What room main auditorium hall honum? What never people now do a Nancy? And what chaka. And Rabbi Drew, me say, the same president. What would you know? Just say what transform the whole thing. You didn't go, Monsieur. The who are hanging I buy one city. Made the institutions or social responsibility. Na mapako who no mubwa any near Kakam. Minia. Let us change them. Young guys who are or who would dear bet my year. And they will transform Vaco for the workers to also benefit. Yeah. Me Kwaku steady. One in Trahong can lunch as him. Me Kwaku steady muyepa. I think said that you better repeat.
Oh, you better repeat it. So you know why Ama Yabedu baby a yadri say ye here partnership. Because
not 70%.
I can agree with you on the percentage wise, but
not 70%.
as it stands now, you hear partnership. It's either we are doing 50-50.
So we need here, we know ye dada, apam dada.
Mama wa pamfo from ni.
Esa pamfo from.
Mama wa pamfo.
Na fe you who said ye be kona.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.